Okay, so you're faced with the choice of picking an extra shift, 12-hour shift, making $100 or no, making $750 or $1,000 for that 12-hour shift, or learning a digital skill that will make you $500 every day. Come closer. Let me talk about it. Okay, so I was faced with that situation about few months ago, and I said, I don't want to do extra shift because it will make me to be far away from my daughter. It will make me to be far away from my little baby. Yes, I had a little baby just about 3 months ago, and so I really wanted to have time for this family. I really wanted to have time for my baby, and at the same time, I don't want to lose too much not making money and feeling bad that, oh, I would have picked that extra 12-hour shift. But guess what? I learned a skill a few months ago, and it had been helping me to make at least $100 every day, at least. And that means that I can increase it to make it $500. I can increase it to make it $1,000, depending on the work I put into it. Now, you've been hearing about people telling you about making money online, making money from your phone, making money on internet, making money while you sleep. In fact, some people even say that they made $10,000 or $20,000 every day or every month or every week, and you're wondering, is this really true? In fact, a friend asked me that, is this really true? So I really looked into it. I said, okay, what are the choices that I have? What are the things that I have? Guess what? I started making digital product. I started selling it on Etsy. But for that first 3 months, I didn't make anything. In fact, it was the third month I started making money, and I was like, would I be making just few sales every 3 months? Then I saw a lady talking about how she was really very plain. She was really plain about selling things on Etsy and how you can really make money, how you can make money online. And I was like, okay, let's see. So what I saw was, so when I started making those digital products, I saw that it was taking too much of my time. I was creating these products, and it was not, I needed something that I can do fast and I can make the money fast. I don't want something that I'm going to spend hours, but however, it's good to learn the process. So this girl was talking about digital products and how she, in fact, there was about 300 digital products, and how she was able to market it and make more money. And guess what? The digital product was just sold for $77, and I bought it. The same thing, I started selling those digital products. My first month, I didn't have any sales. So what am I gonna do? So I had to go back to my prayer closet. I had to ask God that, Lord, I bought this thing, and you said that you are going to bless the work of my hands. How am I going to make this thing turn into money? So what I did was that I niched down on that digital product. Yes, they are done for you digital products. And remember, I'm in America. America are very big on schedules. They are very big on planners. In fact, they have planner for everything. They have planner for travel. They have planner for internet. They have planner for content creation. They have planner for anything. Anything, they have planners for it. And whenever I see something popular, remember I said, whenever you see something popular, it's time for you to look into it. So I went to Dollar Tree. I bought Dollar Tree is a store that you buy stuff at maybe $1 to $5 max. And so I bought a planner, and I felt the planner, it was not something too big, and I started writing things that I can do, things I can make. So I looked at my niche. I look at who I am. That's how I created my niche. I look at who I am. I am a nurse. I am a mother. In fact, I am a nursing mother now. So I looked at what are the things that every nurse needs right now. What are the things that every mom needs right now? So I branded that digital product for my brand, for my niche, for my community, for my kind of people. And guess what? I started making sales. I made the first day I launched that product, I made $135 that day. The second person talked to me and said that, see, I know that what you're talking about is true. Can you teach me? Wow. Another $135. And guess what? If I can sell $235 in a day. That means that if I talk to like about 10 people, I can do that same thing. So I packaged this my product and I started selling it. Guess what? That digital product, it has about 300 done for you planners. 300, every kind of planners in this world is inside that done for you, and you can niche it down to everything. You can make it through your own. You can recreate it, you can edit it and make it to be your own. And that was what I did. And guess what? That same done for you product, that same done for you digital product is in this link, in the link in this description, and it's still sold for the same amount I bought it, meaning that you can buy it and sell it as much as you like. I got it for $77 and I'm selling also for $77, but I added things that everyone may need. I added other things that everyone may need. So it's time for you to learn something. If I learned how you are going to package it, I put in there the platform that you can sell it. Okay, now selling on Etsy, you're going to put that product to be like maybe $5 or $2 or $3. No, I didn't do it that way. In fact, you can put it that way so that you can spread your tentacles, spread it everywhere, and you're going to use it to make money anywhere. So, but the way I did it, which was really working, which had worked very well, was also having a platform that I can sell that same product exactly the way it is. I'm making the same amount or even more amount of money from that same product, instead of selling it, putting it on Etsy where I sell maybe $1, I'll sell it for about $2 or $3. So I put it on a platform, and the platform I use is SYSTEME.io. I'll put the link in the description below. What I like about this platform is that you can brand it. They are template that you can just plug and play, plug and play, plug and play, and you get the link, market it the way you want, and that is how you're going to be making your $500 per day while sleeping. It can be an ebook, it can be a planner, it can be a guide, it can be anything, and it can be a devotional. Inside this done for you digital product, they have planners, they have everything that you can use. You can just brand it the way you, so you don't have any excuse. Start making something today. Put it somewhere. In fact, some people even put it on Amazon KDP. Some people put it on Etsy. I like this platform, but the way I've loved this, I love this digital product. The way I've been able to make sale is putting it on a neutral platform where I will have 100% of my profit. I don't want anybody to take out of my profit. And so these are the ways that, these are the skills. In fact, in all this, in this digital product, you're going to also learn a skill. You're going to learn a skill that is going to teach you how to make different other products, different other digital products. So if you're a nurse, if you're a mother, and you want something that you can recreate, if you want something that you can package before the end of this year to make at least $500 a day, please click the link in the bio. You're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it. You're going to, in fact, teach your children. You're going to love to create something. All right. So I see you next time. My name is Fadikemi. Follow me for more.